I call that a line right there. Juicy line. Woo. Don't come here late, boys and girls. You gotta be here like 10:30. Don't be like us. Mercedes-Benz from the, I don't know what this is, 40s, 50s or something, maybe even earlier than that. I call this the Sheesh-mobile. Look up, babe. Какие у тебя печенья?
I'm like in awe.
Oh. What can I say? Gotta take off my hat for this. Check that out. Woo. All I gotta say to that is, that's right. Allure of the seas, boys. This is the smallest, cheapest cabin. You don't care about spending your money on a nice cabin. You want to spend your money elsewhere. This is what it's like. It's small, tight. Starting off, you got this little storage area with your safe. Oh my gosh. Never mind, can't close that thing. Ta-da! This bathroom's like 5 feet by 5 feet. Super tiny, super cute. And this is me in the shower. Got this airplane style toilet. They even got these if you want to hang. If you want to hang something. If you don't have a ton of clothes, you'll be fine. But if you brought like 5 suitcases, good luck. Having this ball little cute couch. A little hard, but I prefer a hard bed personally, because then I don't wake up like a banana. That's it, folks. That's all you get. Let the bass drop, boy.
I decided to try some snails. See how that will go. You like some?
Have you tried liver? Chicken liver?
Yeah.
Kind of similar. You want to try it?
Sure.
It's not. It's a little weird, but it's not terrible. It's just different. It's just not used to this flavor. So this is Central Park at night. Dude, look at that. So freaking cute. Cute. Can we walk through here? Is this even legal? We are at the ice show, first night. came back from the show, and the funny thing is, they were naming who the skaters were, and like 90% of them were Russian or Ukrainian, which is crazy, which is common because a lot of Russian and Ukrainians do skate. So that was pretty cool to see. In 5, 4,